Facebook, YouTube, hope you guys are having a great day. Today is Friday the 11th, and we have a big job today. We're doing 12 areas of carpet, as well as cleaning and buffing their hardwood and putting a top coat of gloss urethane protection. And it's gonna be a good day, guys. They're putting this house in the market, and this is a referral. And we're gonna take care of them today. We're in O'Fallon, Illinois. Beautiful day out here, actually. And perfect weather, kids are going back to school. And guys, perfect time to get your floors cleaned, maintained, and restored. Again, as you guys know, we're a maintenance floor care company, and we do everything from flooring to duct cleaning. So if you guys have a need, reach out, because before you floor it, let us restore it. All right, guys, stay tuned, and I'll show you some results. And as always, thanks for watching. All right, guys, this is really a maintenance clean, maintaining the carpets that they have put on the market. This is a typical rosé carpet, common in the era that this house was built. We're pre-treating now, so we can suspend the soil load and break that bond, and then we'll steam it out. I also put a mild odor counteract to help with any odors from pets. This is a good measure, and it's gonna smell divine. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, we're agitating the carpet now, as you guys can see. Again, the best line of defense for your carpet, as you guys often hear me say, and for those tuning in who never saw my channel before, or saw me on Facebook or YouTube, or Google, the best thing to do for your carpet, or any kind of fabric, is vacuum. That's right, vacuum, vacuum, vacuum. The reason why, any dry particulates, any soil load, any kind of dirt, dander, hair, dust mites, debris, cooking vapors, all attached to your fiber yarns. And if it doesn't attach to your fiber yarns, it's in the air. So the reason why your carpet gets dirty, because it is overloaded with debris. So your carpet is meant to be vacuumed, so you can remove all the dry soil as you can, and then what's left is what's bonded to the carpet yarns. That's why it's recommended by the EPA and the carpet mill to get your carpets cleaned every 12 to 18 months. That way you can break that bond, your carpets can breathe again and be healthy and hygienic and clean. So, hope that helped added value to you. Hope that made sense to you. And again, the best line of defense is vacuuming. Second is getting it cleaned regularly. And if you have kids, dogs, or smoke, more often than not, maybe every 3 to 6 months, we do recommend a maintenance plan. That's where we come in and make sure the company is certified, uses a truck mount, and is IICRC certified like we are. We've been in this business 20 years, and we went to school for this stuff. We know the chemistry, the equipment, the credentials, and the techniques to properly, effectively, and efficiently clean your carpets right. Whether it's tile and grout, whatever kind of textiles you have, carpet, upholstery, laminate, engineered, hardwood, or concrete, we have you covered. Again, more information, check us out online at www.aocleaned.com, or give us a quick phone call, or you may check us out on YouTube, on our YouTube channel, AO Cleaning Carpet and Restoration. Or we're also on Instagram, and of course, you can find us on Facebook and give us a follow. Hope that added value. Again, vacuum your carpets, guys. That's gonna help save your carpet, prevent premature wear and replacement, and again, avoid those pesky high traffic areas. And again, any high traffic areas is cosmetic. Reason why, all those sand particles cut your carpet like scissors, and you can't reverse that. Removing the soil won't do that. So if you think cleaning carpet's gonna reverse anything that's matted down, crushed, or looks like it's kind of worn out, it will not. Only thing you do is replace it. Or I recommend a higher grade carpet like a nylon, or maybe a hybrid carpet like Tigressa. Nylon, Tigressa, those kind of things bounce back. It's premium, cleans easy, and it's gonna not crush and mat like this contractor grade, okay? Reason why, synthetic carpet like polyester is made from plastic. Plastic scratches, therefore it looks ugly. Again, for more tips, and techniques, you can give us a follow on Facebook, subscribe to our channel on YouTube, and as always, thanks for watching. All right, guys, finishing the basement up now. As you guys can see, you do got some abrasions. Remember I told you about high traffic areas? Those are a couple areas that are high traffic. That is cosmetic. The soil is removed, but the fiber yarns are braided. That's a perfect example of what I was talking about earlier, guys. Again, the best line of defense, get your carpets cleaned every 12 to 18 months and vacuum regularly. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hey guys, clean out my filter box and just look what's in my filter box, guys. And this is after the carpet's already been vacuumed. Wow. What nasty water, guys. Look at that. It just came out. Wow. All right, guys, ready to clean the carpets. You can see. Gonna do the hardwood floors now. Carpets are smelling well. It smells so good in here. Carpets smell divine. Got it all cleaned and sanitized. Did the steps and all up there as well. Total of 12 areas. Now we're gonna do the floors. Can clean them up. As you can see, just the residue build up on these floors. See all those marks, all this gold, dingy, and residue build up. We're gonna clean it and buff it out and put a wear layer protection. Look at that, guys. See all that? We're gonna get rid of all that stuff. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, we're gonna get started. You can see all that residue build up right there. That's actually residue. Just normal use. These are pre-finished floors. This is common in a lot of the homes. And if you guys have this kind of build up on your floors, all you need really is just a good clean and buff. That removes all the debris, soil buildup, and just residue over the years. All right, guys, we're getting ready to clean and buff, as you guys can see. If you guys have this problem on your floors, this is actually residue buildup and dirt. It happens over time. Even if you guys clean in microfloors, the products that are available actually clean up residue and a film on your floors as well as normal dirt. You see it, guys. Just all that buildup over the years. It kind of loses its luster, looks dingy. And we recommend cleaning it and buffing it, popping out the original machine, getting rid of all that residue, making your floors look beautiful again, back to the original state. So again, this is a popular service we offer. It's one of the cheaper services, only at $1.50 a square foot. But then it's optional if you guys want to add a preservation finish. And we have 2 sheet metals to choose from. We have gloss and we have satin. In this case, they did decide to apply that and go with the gloss. And they are selling the home and they want that for a pop. So you can just see, guys, look at the store. There's lines right there. There's residue build up. Over here, in the middle. See that? This is your kind of floor, guys. Don't worry, AO Cleaning has you covered. Before you for it, let us restore it. We also take care of the carpets as well, because we do carpet too, obviously from the name. But if you walk on it, we work on it. But again, guys, this is, again, hands down, a lot cheaper than replacement, or cheaper than a castle or a full sand, and a fraction of the cost. So this is a service we can get done the same day. So this is a service you guys are interested in. We have 2 options. Give us a call, give us an idea of what kind of floors you have, send us some pictures. We can give you a free phone estimate and give you a ballpark of what that cost will be. And if you want to go forward, then we can offer an in-home consultation and give you exact measurements, explain the processes in detail. And then, of course, we do charge a consultation fee, $65. But if you go forward with us, then that does come off the bill. So I hope that added value to you guys and need the service. Again, please reach out. Or you can visit us online at wecansavefloors.com. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm attacking the floors now, getting rid of all the debris before we start cleaning the floors. We're also going to see if we can't fix that scratch with either a color marker or some kind of stain. We're going to make that look a little better for them, complimentary. All right, guys, we're finished vacuuming. Stay tuned. Guys, we're really cleaning now. Clean these floors up real good. We're going to extract it. Love it. Look at these floors bumping out, guys. You can see what we already haven't done. Just look at this, guys. Wow, guys, look at this. This is the preservation gloss finish of urethane. They cleaned and buffed out well. Put a top coat of gloss. That's a win. Ayo, let's go.